Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to change wallpaper in JioPhone Next. How can you change your wallpaper in JioPhone Next? Today we are going to talk about this setting. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video, friends. First of all, open your setting app and then click on display, wallpaper and JioPhone Next. Click here, guys. Scroll it, and guys, now you can see wallpaper. So which wallpaper you like, guys, you can choose yourself. I like this sky one. So guys, you can see, and after that you can see the right option. So click here, and after that, guys, you can see home screen, lock screen, home screen and lock screen. Where you want to change your wallpaper, lock screen, home screen, guys, you can choose yourself. So now I am choosing home screen and lock screen, both side. So as you can see, wallpaper has changed. So I think friends, you have understood how to change wallpaper in JioPhone Next. That's it, friend. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.